Hello, small YouTubers Boost. So, I realized that the optimizing your live stream has not been around for a long time as far as videos are concerned compared to the last time I uploaded a video. But I decided that this one kind of is important because this actually showed up in the group a lot, and it is how to multi-stream. For those of you that don't know, multi-streaming is essentially just being able to go ahead and obviously stream to one platform or multiple platforms at the same time. And this is generally possible using apps on the web, stuff like that. And I'm going to show you, kind of how to get it set up. So, first off, I use Restream.io for my multi-streaming. So, as you can see, I have my stuff set up. I can easily toggle that off or toggle it on if I want to do that. Obviously, Restream, there are some things that maybe you need to pay for to be able to use. Toggling is not one of them, fortunately. But, yeah, as you can see, I have my YouTube, Mixer, Smashcast. Pretty much YouTube and Mixer are, the only, actual platforms I would ever expect to take off. The rest are just experimental platforms just to see how it would end up working out. Now, the question is, how do you actually get stuff like this all set up? So, first of all, you have to create a Restream.io account, which is really easy to do. You basically just put in your email address and set all that up. And then you go ahead and you choose what you want to choose. Let's do Breakers TV, for example. In this case, I would need the channel URL and the stream key for the Breakers TV platform, which is the case for a lot of things. However, like YouTube, you can just easily connect as well. So, you just choose which platforms you want to do. As you can see right here, these are paid platforms. I'm not really sure why Facebook Live is a paid platform, but it is. So, unfortunately, if you do want to stream to, say, YouTube and Facebook Live at the same time, you would end up having to pay to be able to do that through Restream.io. Now, what are the advantages of multi-streaming? Well, okay, so think about it like this. And I'll also go through the disadvantages of this as well. But let's think about this. So, one of the advantages of multi-streaming is that you are potentially reaching more people that you might not have reached with just one stream. Obviously, the reason for this is maybe someone's on Mixer at the time, but not on YouTube, and they happen to stumble upon your stream on Mixer, then you've just reached someone on Mixer, even if your main streaming platform happens to be YouTube. Vice versa with Twitch and any of these other platforms that are listed right here, of course. So that's a huge advantage because think of it like a pyramid where you, the streamer, are at the top. And then you have all these different platforms as your second level of your pyramid. And now they're reaching out to different fans who either share your thing or, create engagement to where more people want to be viewing your stream, essentially. That's pretty good. I mean, if you are new and you're just trying to get known on as many things as possible, that Restream is definitely a good way to do it. Now let's talk about a disadvantage about this. One of the disadvantages is... Well, actually, there's two major disadvantages. So the first one is that if you ever become a Twitch affiliate or a Twitch partner, you can't... There's actually a 24-hour exclusivity contract as part of being a Twitch affiliate and Twitch partner, to where the content that you put in a live stream cannot appear anywhere else except for Twitch for 24 hours. They did this, of course, so that they could get, ads and revenue and stuff before any other platform could. And I understand why they did it, of course. Obviously, if you create a stream on Twitch, Twitch is going to want to be able to have pretty much exclusive rights to it for a set amount of time to where they can try and get the most money that they can, obviously. So that's the major disadvantage. As you can see, I actually have made Twitch affiliate, so I have obviously taken Twitch off of my Restream platform. The other disadvantage to multi-streaming is that, and I won't say that chat can be hard, well, I mean it can if the Restream chat is acting up, You actually do get like a Restream chat. You can download it. You can open browser, which is nice. You can get analytics schedulers as well. But you can get a Restream chat, so you can see all the platforms that are talking. But the other disadvantage is that you are effectively building up different audiences if, say, different audiences choose to tune into your stream at different times. Like, for example, like I might have a YouTube audience, and then I might have a separate, different Mixer audience just based on the fact that I would be doing, obviously, different things. So, obviously, you can spread yourself a little thin. You can maybe diversify your following in a way that you don't necessarily want to do. But if you are new, maybe this is exactly what you want to do, and you want to grow other platforms at the same time that, say, you're growing your YouTube. So I think that is pretty much going to be it for me. It is kind of a nice short one. I just wanted to go through multi-streaming and how you can do it. This generally should auto update for you, but if it doesn't, you can obviously choose different servers as well. Again, you have a stream queue with Restream. You would just put that into OBS, and then you would be able to stream to multiple areas. So that is going to be doing it for me. My challenge to you is the dragon this week is going to be live stream platforms. And the reason it's live stream platforms is now that you have knowledge of Restream, maybe you want to make as many live stream platforms as you do, or maybe you don't want to multi-stream now that you know how multi-streaming ends up working out. It's up to you, and I will challenge you to slay this dragon in any way you see fit, whether that be opening 30 different types of channels, or just 2 types of channels, or maybe just 1. But without further ado, I'm NoDragonsPlz again, and thank you, Small YouTubers Boost. As always, feel free to leave a suggestion of what you would like me to talk about in the comments. Again, I try to center mostly on gaming, but I also have knowledge in other things as well, in YouTube in general. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see more tutorials by the mods of Small YouTubers Boost, then feel free to subscribe as well. But we will see you guys later, and goodbye.